You already know that we live in an extremely crazy decade. You can become a millionaire, even a billionaire, just by using your phone. Today, I'm going to share with you some free apps that you can use in order to make money online only by completing some various tasks. From liking a photo to downloading and playing a game for like 3 hours. By the end of this video, you will know how much money actually you can earn by fulfilling some various tasks. But let's make clear one thing. The most valuable currency is your time. And you have to actually use those apps only in extreme situations when you need to make a couple $100 really fast in a short period of time, because the most valuable currency is your time and you need to use it really wisely. That's why actually you can skip the intro. First app is called Surveys on the Go, and I really like this one because actually you don't have to fulfill some kind of task. Actually, you need to share your opinion. You don't have to like a photo, or you don't have to download another app or game. You just have to share your own opinion, because big companies like L'Oreal, Maybelline, etc., they're producing new products all the time, and they really care about the opinion of the audience. They want to know if you like the current product or you like more the previous one. And the best part is actually that you will get your first dollar right away you download the app. And by the way, this app is available only in USA. You can use a VPN. I guess you can download it. Some of the apps that I'm going to mention in this video are available only in USA, and I'm going to tell you which are they. Also, I'm going to share with you some apps that are available worldwide. Keep on watching. The next app is called Toluna, and it is available worldwide. It is a market research app, which means that actually it is more focused on taking surveys, but you can also find some tasks that you can fulfill in order to get more money. You can get paid by cash using PayPal, and they also have something like a free webinar where they're actually explaining you how you can use the app. The next app is actually available only in USA and in some European countries. The app name is Google Opinion Rewards. Actually, you're reading different things, and most of the time you're actually reading some ads on Google, because the advertiser wants to know how their ads are doing, and Google wants to know which ads are performing much better than the others, and it is a really valuable information for the advertiser himself and for the Google as well. If you're still watching this video, let me know in the comment section below if you've already experienced with one of those apps, and how was your experience, how much money did you earn by using those apps. Let me know in the comment section below. The app number 4 is UserFeel. Actually, this app is worldwide. The app wants to know your experience. They want literally a feedback from you. They want to know whether you like the design. They want to know, can you understand what you're supposed to do in the website, etc. So you're this user experience that share your own opinion and get paid by UserFeel. Each test takes around 10 or 20 minutes, and you're getting paid around $10 for each task. You get paid by PayPal or Payoneer. And here is the best part of this app. They're choosing really wisely their testers, because they don't want random people. They want people who are actually sharing their real opinion with them, their real feedback. And that's why actually they're asking you to complete a task for free. And after that, they're considering the results. And after that, based on the results that you're giving back, they're deciding if they're going to give you more tasks or less tasks. I think it is great, because if I publish my website and if I want feedback, I will know that actually I'm getting feedback from specific person, that I'm not getting feedback from person who is like doesn't care actually for my website, not from a random person. The next app is called SlyJoey. And this is my favorite one, because actually you're earning money without doing anything. You don't have to fulfill tasks, you don't have to share your own opinion, you don't have to download a game or another app, you don't have to take surveys, etc. All you have to do is just to download this app on your phone. This is everything. The ad will be showing some ads on your lock screen, and you don't have to interact with those ads. It doesn't matter if you interact or you don't. You can swipe the ads, you can click on the ads in order to purchase something, or you can just leave it. It doesn't matter. Basically, you are earning money without doing anything. You get paid through PayPal or Payoneer, and you get paid only by having this app on your phone. Because here is what is happening. Let's say that I'm an advertiser and I want my ads to be seen from as many people as it can be seen. So that's why I'm using this app in order to push my ads to a bigger audience, and this is actually what the app is doing. You get paid around $5 or $15 on average per month just by having the ads in your screen. But here's a little catch. Actually, you have to wait 3 months before you get paid, and once you wait for 3 months, after that you can just withdraw the money every month after that. Basically, you don't have to wait anymore, and the app is available only in USA. So guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you. Have a nice day.